Hello, I'm Martin Shaw. I'm Chief Executive of the Association of Financial Mutuals. We set up AFM in 2010 and I've been Chief Executive since then. And I work with around 75 members and associate members who provide the savings, healthcare and protection needs of around 6 million policyholders. AFM supports mutual insurers, in other words, organisations that are owned by their customers and who are therefore only in business to serve the best interests of their members. So what stands out for AFM is that very unique focus on the specific business model of our members and on ensuring that by raising standards across the sector, we deliver ever better outcomes for our customers. This is quite a complex role, as I guess any chief executive's role is, but in particular, it involves working across a wide range of capabilities and job functions. So, principal amongst my duties are leading the team, working towards the best interests of our members, and that means being able to inspire and lead the work of the sector, and to have the capacity to communicate well, both in written form and verbally. It's also important to be able to engage with a wide range of other stakeholders, whether those are politicians, regulators, policymakers, or the media, or indeed members of the public who need our help. And being able to create confidence in all of those different groups is a core factor within the role. The people we'll be looking for within the strong candidates are those that have a wide range of experience, not necessarily by the length of time that they've done different roles, but in the capacity to be able to respond to different situations, take on different roles as the situation occurs. People who've got a background in regulation or in policy work will undoubtedly find it easier to respond to the challenges of this particular role, and therefore we'll certainly be looking for people with those capabilities. So the three really important aspects of our role are ones which we're right in the middle of at the moment and will continue over the next few months or indeed years. The first of those is the way that we respond to developing regulation and lead our work on policy development. We've got some significant policy work on the go at the moment with Treasury and other government departments, so it's really important that we keep up the momentum on those. The second is the way that we promote the benefits of mutuality to a wide range of different audiences, including the media and consumers, but also to other parts of the financial services industry. And the third aspect is about raising capacity and standards within our sector to make sure that we constantly evolve and continue to deliver good outcomes for our customers. AFM has a small internal team, and that's been important to us over many years. It gives us the capacity to be flexible and to move the business forward in the right way for the sector. To be able to do all the work that we do with a small team, we rely heavily on the input from our members who are involved in our board, our committees, and in helping to direct the work that we undertake. We also on occasion use outsourced support, whether that's in public relations work or on lobbying work, or simply in getting printing done for our annual conference. The membership of the mutual sector is in effect a microcosm of the UK in general. Across our members, we have policyholders that are doctors, dentists, bus drivers, policemen, or farmers. And that means that across our membership, we have to respond to a wide range of different people with a wide range of needs. And that's borne out by the people as well. We have a diverse sector with many young people to serve and many young people employed by it, but also our members work with quite a range of old people, and therefore we see it as being important that just as our members are diverse, so too the organisations that we work with are diverse as well. Our culture, therefore, is born out of being able to think about the longer term and how the mutual sector responds to it. That means having values which are aligned with the interests of our members and their policyholders. And it also means, as an organisation, that we have to be very flexible in our approach. For example, we don't have any offices, so all of the team work from home, and we travel where we need to our members, to their offices in London or right around the country to support their best interests. If you were to ask me very simply what the culture of the organisation is, it's about supporting the needs of our members and making sure that we can continue to set high standards both for ourselves and for the sector. I think we're seeing more and more that consumers are being asked to manage their own finances and to take responsibility for their own financial future. And that puts a heavy burden on consumers. And it means that ultimately they're looking for partners in insurance that they can trust, who have their best interests at heart. So for me, insurance over the next few years is going to evolve very rapidly as customers' needs evolve and as the UK economy evolves. That means exciting times, but it also means some significant changes in technology, in ways of working, and in developing products which better meet the needs of our customers. I think over the next few years, there's great opportunity for the mutual sector to thrive by competing with the non-mutual sector and by looking for ways to differentiate ourselves. That may mean working in niches, whether that's with doctors, dentists, farmers, or with small businesses right across the country. But by focusing on the things that we do well, developing products, responding well to the needs for customers, paying claims, and offering an overall good quality of service, mutuals can adapt and compete effectively. And for me, that means that the mutual sector will continue to prosper and continue to grow. There are three elements of the job that have always appealed to me and have kept me employed in this job for over 12 years. The first one is the wide variety involved in the job. No 2 days are the same, and each day I have a wide range of different work to undertake. One moment I might be planning for our annual conference, the next responding to a query from the regulator, and in the afternoon maybe writing a paper to a government department. So that variety helps to keep the job interesting and helps to keep me motivated to continue to do the job well. The second aspect of the job, which is really important to me, is the engagement and support we get from our members. As a small trade body, we can only do well if our members are prepared to support our work and to get actively involved in it. And we're always really pleased with the feedback we get from members about the value for money of AFM and about the quality of support that they get from us. The third aspect of the job, which is very rewarding, is ultimately the fact that we're doing a good job for consumers. We can sleep well at night because we know that we're looking after the best interests of customers, that we're delivering a good deal for them, and that we'll avoid undue harm or the risk that those customers will lose their money or be treated unfairly. Those are great ways to do a job, and I hope whoever takes over from me can do that for a long time to come.